Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Renault Megane 2003 to 2009? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 controls interior electrical components like lights, wipers, radio, and central locking. The passenger compartment relay box in a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 controls high current circuits for systems like the auxiliary heating. This relay is located on the accelerator pedal mounting number 1, 524, 40 amperes. Brake lights lighting controlled by the ESP ECU. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 protects and distributes power to major engine-related systems like the ECU, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel system. The engine compartment fuse box 2 in a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 supports additional power distribution for critical components like the starter, alternator, and high-power engine systems. The fuse relay block in the engine interconnection unit of a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 manages power and control for key engine and drivetrain functions, including injection, ignition, and cooling. Fuses on the battery. The fuses on the battery of a Renault Megane 2003 to 2009 protect high current circuits such as the starter, alternator, and main power supply to fuse boxes.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.